Welcome to the legal series of Squim and Port Angeles Real Estate. I'm Chuck Morendi. Today we look at another common trap for the unwary buyer, road maintenance agreements. If you share a driveway or a common roadway with neighboring owners, you would be well advised to have a written road maintenance agreement. And of course, this is best to have accomplished prior to purchasing your property. That's not always possible, but if you are buying property, be sure to ask about a road maintenance agreement if you are going to be sharing a common driveway. In a rural area such as ours, there are probably hundreds of shared driveways and roads, and unfortunately many of these people end up in a dispute because there never was an agreement on how to share the cost of maintaining the road. Typically it does not come up until there's been inclement weather, and suddenly the road is full of potholes. One of the owners at the end or further down the road doesn't think it's fair that he should have to maintain the entire road, and of course he's correct. But getting the other property owners to agree could be a conflict. Some property owners are absentee owners. Should they have to share equally in road maintenance? Some property owners have many users, like adult children driving up and down the road. Should they have to contribute more for road maintenance? While these are difficult issues to settle, it is of course so much better if a road maintenance agreement is already in writing before you purchase your property. Having said that, not all agreements have been carefully drafted. There are many do-it-yourself agreements out there, so beware. You'll hear me say from time to time that using a professional to help you negotiate minefields is wise. This is a case where that is true. One of the reasons I publish Traps for the Unwary is to help you avoid unnecessary nightmares. Life is too short for such things. If you are buying property, do your due diligence to be sure you don't get caught in this trap for the unwary. I'm Chuck Morendi. You can find us on the internet at squimportangeles.com. That's SEQUIM portangeles.com.